This is what you play for. Moments like this, you can feel the energy in this building, and we are underway. Quick pass to Kucherov. Fires it. Makes the save. Cool and calm under pressure. The Bolts gain control of the puck against the wall. Grabbed along the boards by Rivera. Handles the pass. And the goaltender comes up with a piece of it to keep it out of the net. Thompson's moving the puck through his own zone. Buffalo's in transition. Skates to the crease. Takes a wrist shot. Oh, and he didn't get all of it, but just enough to keep it out of the net.
And he came out and challenged him. Good save.
Here's a chance. Denies him. Taken along the wall by Kucherov. Oh, and another quick stop.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close. He takes away any room.
Moves with the puck at the corner. Here's a chance. Shuts it down with the paddle. What a stop. Look at this attack here in the O-zone. Now he takes it over the line. And he slides it quickly to Olsen. Vasilevsky's going to hang on to that one for a whistle.
Quickly on top of that, James. He needed a cover there.
Still early on in this frame. James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. Still no score in this one. Points won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Slides the puck to Hagel. The Bolts move it in. Manages to hang on. Cousins picking up steam. To the front. And he's peeling off to regroup. From the right side, they gain the zone. Takes a shot. And that goes off a player. Moves it quickly over to Tuck. Into the offensive end now. Long reach breaks up the momentum. And that slides right out to center ice. Quick feed to Cousins. And he gets a chunk of that to keep it out. Tampa Bay's got a hold of the puck. Goes right to the crease. And he regains control of the puck. Too much congestion, blocks the shot. Picked up along the wall by Hagel. Here he is, shot right in front. Denies the shooter on that play. Here we go. They've really ratcheted up the intensity here now in the O-zone. And they finally stop the pressure as they get it out. A chance in front. Oh, and he comes up with a stop. And that's turned aside. Pass back to the point. Puck scooped up by Tuck. And he comes up with it. Vasilevsky's on top of that for the whistle.
Pretty quickly on top of it to kill the play.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. We're still scoreless. Cirelli's won it off the faceoff. Pass across to Chernak. Takes the feed from the wing. Here's a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Anderson's going to bounce on it, and he'll take the whistle.
He's usually a pretty conservative goaltender anyway, and so the opportunity to kill the play, he's going to take it.
Puck possession so critical. Another face-off coming up here. Moves it to Paul, and he makes the save. And he slides it quickly to Skinner. Into the offensive zone. Lines up, and that's denied by Vasilevsky.
Vasilevsky's compete level is what makes him so exciting to watch, guys. His contortionist zone ability is when he uses those last-ditch, all-out desperation saves to get in front of the puck.
The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Tampa Bay's got the puck in the defensive end. Jeannot's across the line now and on the attack in the up. offensive end. Buffalo's got the puck along the boards. And that's broken up. Keeps hold of the puck. Yokiharu's got it through the neutral zone. And we've got a 2-on-1. Tampa Bay's got the puck. Through the open ice, they're picking up steam. Good stop by Anderson. Moves the puck over to Olsen. Quick shot! Oh, what a stop! The Lightning have possession along the boards. Stays with it. Here's an opportunity in front of the net. Big save. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. And does it again!
One of the premier players in the game, shooting the puck on the move. That snapshot's delivered on net. Forces the goaltender into a save.
Just applying the squeeze here in the offensive end. The fans are all over it. Puck picked up by Hedman. Through the middle of the ice, they enter the attacking zone. Puts it in for the goal, and the rookie is on the board.
What a nice way to jump into your first playoff year. You get on the board, and you can relax again.
Tampa Bay's hustle the difference here as they take a 1-0 lead.
Been so hard to get any open space on the ice. You work, there's nothing there. Finally, they score, and now you can open the game up a bit.
Couldn't make the connection on the play. Sends a pass over. Centering feed. And it caroms off a twig in front of the net. Here's a centering pass. And he shuts down a great scoring chance there. Well past the midway mark of this period, Tampa Bay's ahead 1-0. Well, that's one way to win the draw as he skates away with the puck after the two centers were tied up. Moves it over to Tuck. There's a firm collision. Drives to the crease. Big miss.
That's a little bit of panic. The puck is on his stick. He's in the middle of the ice, and he misses the net.
Turn that one aside. They are really dialed in here tonight. Under siege and finally grabs that one and covers up for a whistle.
Dalvin's got that zone ability that can help him generate some chances, guys. With the team trailing here, let's look to him to try to make a difference for them.
Asplund's won the draw in his own end. Now let's see if they can clear it. Hard hit on the play.
Wow, did he ever finish him hard.
Scores! That's back-to-back, Ray.
Well, the game has changed. Those two goals here really have changed the outlook.
The Bolts have now widened the gap to a 2-goal lead. Hard not to breathe a little easier now.
It's even harder to stay focused, and that's what they need to do, James, to get this to the intermission.
Shot! One save made by Vasilevsky. Picked up along the boards by Hagel. And here's the pass to Point. Hammers it on net. Nowhere for that shot to go through. Darlene's lugging the puck. Buffalo's got it along the wall. Darlene's got it along the boards. Now a quick pass to Power.
Oh, stick craters on him. So disappointing.
There's $300 he won't get back.
He's not paying anyway.
Under siege and finally grabs that one and covers up for a whistle.
Thompson's got great hands. His puck-on-a-string zone ability means he can stick-handle his way into scoring chances. Kucherov's make-it-snappy zone ability is that quick release on his shots. He can fire them off before the goalie can even catch up to them. I'll be keeping tabs on these players all night long, and let's see if one of them can lead their team to victory. Guys, back to you.
Anderson's going to give everyone a chance to breathe and hang on to the puck. More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. The Bolts have recently taken a 2-goal lead. They'd love to build on it. And they're going to go. Oh, and a thunderous end to that one.
Yeah, somebody came third in that fight. That was decisive.
Well, it looks as though the tensions have finally simmered and we're ready to get back to what we actually came here in the first place for. Hockey! Denies something close. What a steal in his own end. Rips it from the blue line. Scooped up along the wall by Chernak. Through the neutral zone up along the wing. The Lightning have taken possession along the wall. Oh, look at this. Here they come. They've got numbers. Slides the puck ahead to Olofsson. Oh, did he drop a thunderous hit there? Scores! And that's 3 unanswered goals on their part. Wow!
Once you get one, you feel a little bit of momentum come to your team. Now you got a couple and then a third. You feel like you're just going to carry this game and walk away with it. Oh, what a shot. Top shelf beats the goaltender, but he's not set. They have possession of the puck, but that's such a bad turnover. I don't think he was able to get out and get himself squared up to the shot.
Buffalo's won the draw in the neutral zone. The Sabers played along the wing. The Lightning have gained control of the puck along the wall. Now he takes it over the line. Moves it to the middle. And the puck is frozen. We'll get a stoppage in play here. Late goings of this period. The Bolts just recently adding to their lead. They're now up by 3. Stamkos has got possession. Let's see what they can do with it now. Made the save on the play. Buffalo's got it in their own zone. The Lightning have gained possession off the wall. Tampa Bay's gained possession. Couldn't catch up to that pass. Hammers one. Off the post and in for the goal.
Perfect shot. The goaltender's in position. Can't catch up to the puck. And it's off the pipe and in. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that.
Crowd on their feet as they drop the gloves.
That's the end of that spirited bout. Of course, everybody jumps up when the fight happens, but your guy wins, and the building just keeps moving along.
And the crowd's still on their feet here, Ray. And after that tilt, looks like cooler heads have finally prevailed, and we're ready to drop the puck once again. Oh, and he takes possession of the puck from off the wing with the centers all... Scores! How you do it? Whoa!
They create that speed and that room off the rush. Great shot, beats the goaltender clean.
Officials getting ready to drop the puck. Puck possession so key in today's game. The Bolts take it along the wall. Buffalo's going on the attack as they gain the zone. Scores! Picks up the loose change and puts it into the back of the net. In the final moments of this period, the Sabres try to get back into this one as they trail by a bunch. That's not going to fool them. Here he is on the rebound. Comrie's going to smother it to get a whistle.
Can get dangerous if nobody's in control of the puck.
Nice job tying up his opponent. And it's in! He scores!
The release beats the goalie here, but there's a good break too as the puck hits the post and goes in.
Great read by the winger to take possession with the 2 centermen tied up. And makes the routine save. Big stop by the keeper.
Comrie's in it now, his first game of the playoff. He made an excellent stop moments ago.
Big stop by the goaltender right in front.
That happened so quickly, that low slot shot. The goaltender's in position and he makes the save.
Puck sent over to Darlene. Tampa Bay's got it from behind the net. Denies him in front. Tremendous pressure here in the offensive end. Oh, he got all of that against the boards. The Sabers get a hold of the puck in their own end. Looking to set up offensively. And that's out of reach and out of the offensive zone. And he had the answer on that one. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Here's a short pass to Kucherov. Comrie's going to cover up the puck here for a whistle.
He makes a safe play and kills the play before any other damage can be done.
Both teams gliding into position and the official set to drop the puck. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. A lot of people excited as this opening period comes to an end. One of the all-time great rock acts from the 80s getting set to play here for these fans. And we'll catch our breath. Back with more in a moment. Welcome back, everybody. James Sabowski with you. Period number 2. The middle frame ready to go. Here we go. Lots of time left in this one, but certainly a lopsided affair to this point. Well, we've got over 20 minutes played thus far. Ray, how have you seen things?
Tampa Bay's come to play here. I think that was pretty obvious, James, in that opening 20 minutes. They possessed the puck. They got it to the front of the net. They just kind of controlled everywhere you need to control in a hockey game. They got rewarded, and they're on easy street right now.
They go on the attack through center. Can't get it to go. Kucherov's got it in the defensive end. Now into the offensive zone from the right side. Oh, and he misfires on that. Oh, just a great heads-up play by Power. The Sabres will play it from the defensive zone. Here's a shot, and he makes the save.
Vasilevsky's been sharp when he's had to be. He's got a good save percentage here tonight, and his team's in good shape.
And some textbook body contact there. Grabbed along the board by Hedman. The transition game now into full effect.
They score back-to-back goals. They stay aggressive after getting the first one. They tack another one on here.
Play ready to resume as everybody lines in for the face-off. The Bulls win the face-off. Oh, he gets in front of that to make a great save.
Charlotte's changed his focus here, James. It looks like he's finished fighting, and now he's going to play the game.
Oh, he stops him with the glove. Great reflexes there.
Goalies love making the glove save. Whether it's a great save or a rather run-of-the-mill one, they love to show you that they've caught it after they've put it away.
And he'll take a moment to regroup back at center. Tampa Bay's got a hold of it against the wall. Inside the offensive zone. Buffalo's got the puck in their own end. Here they come. Buffalo's ready to go on the attack. Tampa Bay's got control of the puck. Maintains possession. Gaining momentum along the wing. Shot! Scores! Make it 3 in a row!
And is this ever going to stop? It looks like they're going to score at will here, James. Dominating and taking control of this game.
The Sabres get a hold of it. Takes a shot. That's gloved by Vasilevsky. Taken along the wall by Hedman. From the left side, they enter the offensive zone. Scores! There's the Hattie, and look at him go!
Oh, man, what a charge. You're at home, the building's revved up, you throw 3 on the board. You're the man tonight.
The Sabres win it. Quick pass to Oposo. Back to the point it goes. Oh, a clutch save! Quick feed down low. Nice pass. Big time stop.
I like the goalie's positioning here. He was aggressive enough to make a save on a dangerous chance.
Moves it quickly over to Rivera. Tampa Bay's on the attack. Puts it on net. Wow, what a stop by Comrie. Taken by Asplund. Right up the gut into the attacking zone. Takes the pass. Oh, just puts it wide of the net.
Trying to be a little fine with it. This is a good goaltender. You know you have to make a really great shot to beat him, but he just fires it wide.
Vasilevsky's on top of that one for a whistle.
A little bit of traffic starting to form around the net. Darlene's leadership is often by example, not so much with some great speech in the locker room. They need action now. They've got to get back in this game, and the captain's going to have to lead them to it.
Oh, and he denies him with a fantastic stop there.
That's a good save. He had to struggle to find the puck. It's a forest of bodies in front of him.
Moves inside. Comes up with a big blow save. Slides the pass over to Power. Right up Main Street and on the attack. Shot. Oh, and he has the answer there with a fantastic stop. Nice zone entry on the left side. Shot. Oh, and he gets a piece of the puck to deny them there. Quick feed to Thompson. And now it's over to Olofsson. Cutting to the front of the net. Too much traffic in the lane. The Bolts are on the attack. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. Moves it to Skinner. From the left side, they gain the zone. Buffaloes regain possession of the puck. Turns it aside with the glove. Vasilevsky's on top of the puck, and that'll stop the play.
Pretty conservative play here, James. He covers it up to kill the play.
Crowd's buzzing, ready to get things back underway, and I think the officials are too. The Bolts get a hold of the puck in their own end. Sends it over to Rivera. Through center along the wing. Slides the puck over. Grabs the puck in the corner. The Bolts working around near the back end. Here's a short pass to Rivera. The Sabers take over on possession. With possession along the wall. Buffalo's got the puck in the corner. Oh, he had the answer on that one. Rivera's got the puck in his own zone. Pushes it across to Stamkos. And it's a quick pass to Rivera. Driving right to the front. Denied that one.
Smothered that in close chance.
The Bolts take possession off the faceoff. And he gets just enough of it to keep it out for the back of the net. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. The Sabres grab possession with the puck. Along the side, here they come through the neutral zone. Through center. Quick pass to Cousins. Oh, what a save in front. Kucherov's taking it from his own end. Gains the zone from the right. Fires it on net. And he gets a piece of that one and denies it. Powers carrying it ahead. Here's a shot. Oh, what a stop by Vasilevsky. Takes the feed. Slides the puck across to Hedman. On the attack along the boards. Here's a shot. Oh, devastating hit.
I'm telling you, James, sometimes you think you've got more room, and you have none. He ran out of track right there.
Center's gliding up to the face-off dots here. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. And he takes the dish. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And a nice save there as play continues. The Sabres are across the line and into the offensive end. Takes a shot. Oh, bad save. Tremendous agility there by Vasilevsky.
He's sharp on this one, out on top of the crease aggressively to make the save.
And the shot dies in the traffic jam. And makes the save. The Sabers will play it in their own end. Up along the wing. Good hit on the play. And he keeps that one out. Vasilevsky's going to cover it up and get a whistle.
Even with the traffic starting to close in, he had to grab that when he did.
Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Looks to pass it to Hagel. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Here's a shot. Oh, if that's horseshoes, you'd be ringing it up.
Yeah, but we're not playing that, James. What we need is a puck on the net, man.
Stopped by the goaltender. He got a little piece of that one. The Bolts have it now. Moves it quickly over to point. Carries it into the offensive end up the middle. Denies him. He got all of it. The Bolts looking against the half wall. Quick feed to point. Nothing. Grabs the puck. Grabs it with the glove. Comrie's going to opt for the whistle and give everybody a chance to breathe.
Sometimes you get running around as the shift gets long. This helps.
Both teams are set. They're ready to drop the puck. Stamkos has won the draw. Moves it to Rivera. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Oh, tremendous stop on the play.
He's got to work hard to find the puck through all the bodies right in front of him.
Oh, that just goes wide. Here's a short pass to Thompson. Cuts to the paint. Can't get it to go. The Sabres have the puck in the corner. The Bolts have it against the wall. Along the right wing, they enter the attacking area. Oh, how did that stay out? What a save by Comrie. Powers into the offensive zone now on the attack. Makes the save and putting out the fire in front. The Bolts win the draw. Gets it over to Kucherov. Gains the zone through center. Fires it. Blocked in traffic. Second intermission approaching quickly here. Takes it to the net. Fantastic save.
Track that puck really well. The puck gets passed to the slot, and he has to make the save on a dangerous chance.
Moves the puck to Hedman. And he takes the feed. The Bolts play it along the boards. Here's the chance. There's the wrist shot. Comrie's going to slow things down and opt for the whistle.
Well, you got to kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized.
Stamkos has won the draw. They'll go to work offensively. And that'll bring an end to the second period of play. Let's get a clean sheet of ice and come back with the third period next. It's about to go down. Period number 3. James Sabers, Rivera, ready to bring you the action. It's been a total mismatch here as we get underway for the third. Let's see if anything changes. Rivera is at ice level, and he gives us his assessment of what he's seen tonight.
Tampa Bay's focus now is just lock down this game. Comfortable lead. They've been terrific through 40 minutes. Don't give it away now.
Denied by the goaltender. Chernak stick handling in his own zone. Up along the wall on the right side and into the attacking area. Here's a shot. Oh, that one pumps up short as he just gets enough of that one. Officials getting ready to drop the puck to get play back underway. Buffalo's got it in the defensive zone. Olafson's moving it ahead. Takes it to the front. Blocked in traffic. The Bolts take it along the wall. Here's a chance. Oh, what a stop as he uses his paddle to swat it away.
He's been really good on these high-danger chances, and here's another one right from the slot. But he's tracked that puck to keep it in front of him and make the save.
Points won the draw here, and they'll go on the attack. He scores!
You know he was nervous. The rookie gets into his first playoff. That first career playoff goal will help him relax.
The Lightning have been nearly flawless tonight. Fair to say there, Razor?
This has been one of their best games, certainly their best in the last couple of weeks. They've had the puck most of the time. They've got this huge lead that they're just going to cruise in with.
Tampa Bay's got the puck along the boards. They try to maintain possession inside the defensive zone. The Bolts move it in. Takes the feed. Scores! That's two times.
He's having one of those nights, James. The puck just following him around. You get a chance to score. You don't miss on nights like this.
The Lightning have extended this lead. In these moments, do you want run time and just, you know you've got it in the bag, or do you want to continue to pour it on here, Ray?
No, I think everybody wants one more cookie.
Tampa Bay's looking to break out. Where's the puck? Chernak's crossed the line and gained the zone. Sends it in front. Takes the blast. The Sabers gain control of the puck against the wall. Here they come through center and into the offensive end. And that goes off a stick somewhere in traffic. Quick pass to Chanot. Sends it into the offensive zone. Buffalo's got the puck along the wall. And he takes the feed. Moves it quickly over to Skinner. Buffalo's got possession here in the offensive zone. The Lightning have the puck against the boards. Quick feed to Paul. Nice zone entry from the left. Here's a shot. Makes the save using the hashtag blocked. Moves it to Darlene. Cousins crosses the line and is on the attack. Quick shot. Big stop right there. Tampa Bay's got it in their own zone. And now he moves it to Paul. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Chanot. Tampa Bay's got the puck against the half wall. Here's a short pass to Paul. Long jam in front. That's broken up. Steps across the line and on the attack down the right side. Oh, solid save by Vasilevsky. Face-off looming as both centers get into position. Tampa Bay's got possession here in their own end. Chernak's gaining momentum. Shot! And kept that one out of the net. And they'll cover it up, forcing a stoppage in play. The Sabres take possession off the faceoff. And now he moves it quickly to Greenway. Into the attacking area from the left side. Shot! And too much traffic in front blocks that one. Manages to hang on. Oh, he got all of that. What a save by Vasilevsky.
This is a quality chance that the goaltender turns aside right from the slot.
Tampa Bay's won the draw. The Bolts move the puck in the defensive zone. Hedman's going to play it against the half wall. Takes the feed at the back end. Stopped by the goaltender.
That's a really good save. I think the goalie's probably surprised he was dead center and open to shoot that puck.
Tampa Bay's won the draw. Here's a shot. The Sabers have a hold of it in the defensive zone. Working the puck deep inside their own end. The Sabers cross the blue line and are on the attack. Vasilevsky's going to slow things down and opts for the whistle.
He's had a really good night. He's been on top of his game, and there's not been much that's given him trouble.
Looks like lineups are set and they're ready to get things back underway. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. And there's the save. Quick pass to Cousins. Great reflexes, another save.
Really sharp, never loses sight of the puck to make the second save.
And that's blocked away. My goodness, this has been a pressure-filled shift here. Enters the offensive zone from the left. Takes a shot, and he says no. Feeds it on over to Thompson. Here they come on the attack. Puts it on net. Comes up on the stop as he got a piece of the blocker on it. Save made by the goalie.
Quick work. He makes 1 and 2 saves in a row.
Tampa Bay's got a hold of the puck. Moves it quickly over to Kucherov. Shot. Oh, how did he get a piece of that to make the save? Standing by, Carlin Bade with her own thoughts on the head-to-head matchup tonight.
Kucherov's been terrific, using his zone ability to help him generate scoring chances, and he's been rewarded. He's definitely got the edge in this one.
Stop that one. Coming down the left wing and into the zone. Too many bodies in the way. The Lightning have the puck in their own end. Through the neutral zone and along the boards, here they come. Takes it into the slot, and now it's grabbed by Power. Slick feed.
Olofsson's calling card is his scoring. Not tonight. He doesn't have a sniff, and his team is getting punted pretty badly.
And that's blocked. Oh, great reflex pad stopped by Vasilevsky. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Kucherov's moving the puck through his own zone. And now he tries to get it across to Stamkos. Tampa Bay's got the puck along the wall. Oh, I think he'd like that one back.
For sure, James. I mean, you don't get many chances this good in a game like this. The game has been tightly played. Your chance might be the only one you get.
Quick feed to point. Tampa Bay's ready to go on the attack. Nice feed. Oh, he kind of struggled with that one, but he got just enough to keep it out. In close. Oh, he keeps it out with a great reactionary stop with the toe.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
Centers get set as they're ready to drop the puck again. Tampa Bay's got it, and they're on the attack. Big save in front. Comrie's going to bounce on it, and he'll take the whistle.
He's usually a pretty conservative goaltender anyway, and so the opportunity to kill the play, he's going to take it.
Buffalo's won the face-off deep in their own end. Greenway's lugging the puck. Look at this down the right wing. They're on the attack. Shot! And he was ready for that one. Through the neutral zone and into the offensive end. Here's the shot. And he uses the glove to keep that out, getting a piece of it. The Sabres win the draw. Slides the puck to Bryson. Buffalo's got it in their own zone. And he slides it quickly to Tuck. Buffalo's moving the puck through center ice. Fires it on net. Vasilevsky's going to smother it to get a whistle.
Can get dangerous if nobody's in control of the puck.
The Bolts win it in the defensive zone. Sergachev's got it along the boards. Here's a shot. My goodness, what a save by Comrie. That's another consecutive save.
No room for the shooter. The goaltender snuffed it out.
Buffalo's got it into the offensive zone. The Bolts have it from their own end. Tampa Bay's got it against the boards. Oh, and a misfire as that goes right out of the zone. Oh, it stays out as he gets a piece of that one. From the open ice, they gain the line. Takes a shot. Stopped by the goaltender, getting a piece of that one.
Oh, he reads the play really well to get out and aggressive to make that save.
Moments away from the face-off. Let's get back to the action. Buffalo's won the face-off. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Taken, he scores his first career playoff goal.
Different level of excitement, James. You score in the regular season, that's one thing. You get another one in the playoffs, and you are pumped.
Buffalo's got to be thinking more and more offense here now in the third.
No reason to sit back. You're in a hole here. You need goals, and you need lots of them. Attack.
The Bolts get a hold of the puck off the draw. Directs it on over to Stamkos. Fires it. Oh, tremendous reflexes with the pad. What a stop by Comrie. Tampa Bay's got it in the offensive zone. Oh, how do you not convert those chances?
Well, he's going to be disappointed. I mean, that's a grade A scoring chance that doesn't turn into a shot on net.
Handles that one. Let's see what the officials are calling.
Oh, boy, another penalty. They're down by a mile. It's inconsequential, really, to the outcome of the game, however.
Well, this gives us our first chance to take a look at the team's power play unit.
Key for any team on the power play is to get control of the puck first. So we'll look at the face-off, and this power play, at the very least, has to generate a little momentum. It's their first crack at it tonight.
Looks to make a play over to Darlene. Sheehan's got the puck along the wing. Whacks it into the offensive zone. Sends one up to Cirelli. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Turns it aside with the glove.
He bails his guys out again. I mean, he probably could use a little help. The guy's standing right in the middle of the ice to shoot this puck, but he tracks it and makes a really good save.
Sheehan's recognizing they're still short-handed here as they get ready for the face-off. The Bolts win the face-off. And that goes off, pours off a body. Here he is in close. And just got a piece of it to keep it out. They gain the offensive zone from the middle. Oh, he makes the save, just not enough to keep it out. Under a minute to go in the third. Here's a chance, and that's broken up. And he slides it quickly to Sergachev. Picked up by Darlene. Quick pass across to Power. Now he takes it over the line. Here's a shot. Gets a piece of it and will play on. Buffalo's playing it from the side. Saucer pass across. Redirected off a stick. Nice zone entry from the middle. Quick shot and a great save. Buffalo's got possession while undermanned. And as the final seconds tick away, listen to this place recognize a hard-earned victory. Shot denies it with the save. Final buzzer sounds, and this one's in the books. Well, anybody who thought that this was going to be a quick series has been sorely mistaken after tonight.
At the very least, you dropped that first game. All you can think about is not the big picture, it's the small one. We need to split the first two games. They did a really good job.
Yeah, mission accomplished tonight. And they'll come out and salute the fans after the win.
Just the way it should be. You win, you salute the fans get to say thanks. I love it.
Well, that'll do it for all of us here at EA Sports. I'm James Cybulski, and we will see you next time from Ringside.